Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure a credit card with JetBlue, beginner guide step by step clearly. To configure a credit card with JetBlue, start by visiting the JetBlue website. Once on the home page, look for the login button at the top right corner. Click on login and enter your TrueBlue credentials. If you don't have a TrueBlue account, you will need to create one first. After logging in, navigate to your account settings. Find the section labeled Payment Methods or Manage Payment Options. Click on that section to proceed. You will see an option to add new credit card. Click on Add New Credit Card to begin entering your card details. Fill in your credit card number in the designated field. Next, enter the expiration date of your card. Then, input the security code found on the back of your card. You may also need to include your cardholder name exactly as it appears on the card. Be sure to enter any billing address associated with the credit card. Double-check all information for accuracy. Once confirmed, click on the Save button to store your credit card information. Your credit card is now configured with your JetBlue account. You can use this card for future bookings and purchases. If you need to update or remove a card, simply return to the same section. Follow the same steps to manage your payment options as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.